everybody, Miss Melissa here today to share with you a fun flower craft. Between all this beautiful weather we've been having and with Mother's Day coming up this weekend, I thought this was a great time to learn how to make some flowers together with some items that we probably already have lying around the house. The only materials you need to make these flowers are Scotch tape, or glue if you don't have tape around or if you prefer glue, some scissors, a craft stick, or again, if you don't have a craft stick, you can use any stick, really, an egg carton, and a paintbrush and some paint. So now, let's learn how to make our own egg carton flowers. Step 1. Cut the egg carton. First thing you want to do is cut down your egg carton so that it has 4 compartments. And once you've got that segment of 4 compartments, you want to trim the corners to round it out and continue trimming the edges just to give it more of a flower shape. Now kids, this is something you might want to have a parent do before you get started. If you are older and you want to try doing it yourself, that's great, but definitely always check with an adult before you use scissors. Step 2, paint the egg carton. Here comes the fun part. Now that your egg carton is cut, you can pick out whatever color paints you'd like to make your flower and just get creative and have some fun with it. Don't forget to let it dry when you're all done.
Look!
Beautiful! Step 3, paint your craft stick. Now we only had natural wood craft sticks in our house, so we took some time to paint them green for the stems of our flowers. If you have colored craft sticks, you're welcome to use one of those. And you can pick any color that you like. It doesn't have to be green. And if you don't have craft sticks at home, that's fine too. You can just go outside and find a small stick to use. And you can even still paint that to keep it nice and pretty. Step 4, let dry and tape. Once your flower and stem are both dry, you can flip the flower over and tape or glue the stem to the back. Great job, everyone! Now you can enjoy your beautiful flowers. And if I have any mothers or grandmothers out there, happy Mother's Day this weekend!